We're watching Victorious, and it's been a lazy day.
You're a demon!
Hi. So I thought it'd be fun to do kind of like a story time of me going to the hospital at like 6 a.m. I woke up last night at 4 a.m. immediately nauseous and kind of just in a literal panic attack. There's Sam. Sam will be joining us in this story time pretty soon. And so I knew at some point I was gonna have to go and throw up for the first time here. A lot of you guys don't know, but I have IBS-C. It's basically a syndrome where it's all directed through emotions. So the second I'm anxious or stressed or anything, I get super nauseated. I do have a bunch of y'all, I think, in one of my pop culture classes, and I left and never came back. That is exactly what happened. I got really nauseous, but I have not thrown up in about a month and a half. And so this morning I woke up and it was automatically like I can't hold it in. I tried taking my medication because I do have this thing that I call an emergency pill. So I went into the bathroom and I threw it up. I woke up Natalia at some point. I think it was in the second round. Natalia walked in just like mortified that I was feeling that bad, but she just sat with me and tried to make me feel better and got me, you know, I had an ice pack and then she heated up one of those heating pads that they gave us for my stomach, but it seemed like not a lot of things were working. And I think I did this around 4 times. And at some point it was just so uncomfortable. Sam woke up later on and Sam and Natalia came with me to the hospital. And we were there for 2...
Oh my god!
What?
I almost fell bad.
They were giving me blood work. I had to do a urine sample. They gave me fluids through an IV, and they also gave me Zofran. The back of my mouth hurts, so I could feel like right here and in my ears. I'm very congested because I was literally sobbing the entire time. But we were in that hospital for about 2, maybe 3 hours before I started feeling better. But I thought it'd just be something that would be interesting to share since I did post it on my Snapchat and a lot of people were concerned about it. So I wanted to just give a full story on exactly what happened. I'm okay now. I'm a lot better. Yeah, I hope I can figure out the cure for this at some point or some way to treat it because it is really affecting my daily life and it's really affecting how I am mentally and physically. That's what's happening. Good morning. It is Monday. And I have unbelievable congestion. Like I said, it's demo week, and I think I did pretty okay. I don't think I did horrible, but definitely I could have done a lot better. I'm going to CVS because I need to get stuff for this congestion because I literally can't breathe whatsoever.
Damn. That's motherfucking facts. Oh, that's not
Oh my god.
Bro, tell me it's not. Tell me it's not. Tell him it's not.
Are you gonna let me
Tell him
talk?
it's not.
Are you gonna let me
Yeah.
talk? Are you gonna let me talk?
Beat that ass. What?
Hey,
You know this.
when I get back, I'll let you know what I'm doing.
Crazy.
Hey, come on, bro.
Oh god. This you just spray spit. That is called gleeking.
Do you
Period.
remember? I was talking to her,
Look
and
it
I
up
just
on
like,
Urban Dictionary.
spit on the floor by accident. Like just drool just came out, and I didn't even realize it.
Listen, you know what's funny? On Urban Dictionary,
I
there's a
got us
city that
McDonald's.
I live by that's
I have a
called Jay
McFlurry
County.
and a French fries.
It's called Jay
And
County.
she has French
And they're
fries,
so
and she has a
hick,
frappe.
like such a hick
That's it.
place. So we call it J Tuck.
I'm tired.
Midnight train
It's not even on me. Oh.
I'm appalled. Just kidding.
This is the life of being in LA, is that you find people that just talk to themselves.
And he was just like, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Do you want?
understand it. I really do.
Just got a text from Natalia saying there's police horses, so if we see them, I'll let you know. Whoa. One more time. Some will win, some will lose.
Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on. 6, 7, 8.
Oh, the footwork. Wow.
How does your knee? What? It's just been hurting, you know? Hashtag dancer things.
Wow.
And what about it? And I hit your ass. And what about it? And what about it? And that's why you missed.
Broke the light.
Bitch. What about it?
That's on my phone. What happened, Lexi? We just finished demo. Demo week is over. It's the happiest day of my freaking life. Alana, how do you feel about demo week being over?
I think it's freaking great. See, she looks good.
Hello, it's Giselle. It's Friday, and it's rivalry day. Let's go ACP. I swear to God, if you don't win, I'm going to be so sad. I'll keep you guys updated. Where are we going, Natalia?
The beach.
It's beach day.
Natalia, we're back. What? I just saw the picture.
Alright. Did you get it? You gotta do it quick. Like the card.
You gotta do it quick. We are getting our Metro cards, and now we're off to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Have a drink, pink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. Ooh.
Hi guys, I'm Giselle. Welcome back to the vlog. So right now we're underground in a metro, and your ears pop.
Wait, we are here in Santa Monica.
I've been in
I didn't even know you were recording this whole time. Hey peeps, welcome back to my life. I just would like to say that today we're at Santa Monica. We're really out here doing things, college wear, class who, homework wear. Yeah, so see you next time back on my channel, taking over. I may not post ever more after this, so.
No,
last video.
No.
This is the last video ever. Cotton candy, but mine is going through the hole.
I love how cotton candy like melts in your mouth.
Alex, your cotton candy.
Wait, what?
Yeah! Cotton candy, bitch!
We're having a movie night, right, Hope?
Yes!
Movie night.
Wait. Hey.
Say hi.
Hey!
Hi, I keep forgetting to make outros for my videos, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below anything that you need me to do, and then I will see you guys next week. But come back this week. There's another surprise video that I made just for y'all on, I believe I'm going to post it Wednesday. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed, and see you later.